Morning, YouTubers. Up early, going to work. Thought I'd do a review real quick on the Ford Performance loaded differential with the 355 gears. Since I did the first oil change, I've noticed just a tiny bit of whine. Not enough to really worry about, but it is there. I'll be quiet so you can hear it real quick now that I'm going around 70 miles an hour. It's just barely noticeable. I mean, if you got the radio on, you won't hear it at all. This differential is a lot stronger than aluminum housing, and it's more suited to drag racing with radial slicks. Now that it's broke in, I'll be going back to the track soon. Hopefully getting the Whipple supercharger on within the coming weeks. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. And I'll be back soon with some badass content once that Whipple blower's on. Thanks.